Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove the footer in Wix using the 2020 version of the Wix Studio. If you've ever wondered how to clean up a website page or customize it to better fit your needs, maybe you want a minimalist look or you just want to swap out Wix's default footer for your own unique design, stick with me. By the end of this video, you'll know how to quickly hide or delete the Wix footer and even add a brand new custom footer if that's what you're after. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, head over to your Wix Studio dashboard and open up the website page where you want to remove the footer. Take your time here. Sometimes the Wix interface can feel a little busy if you're not used to it. Look towards the bottom of your site preview and you'll see the default footer area. It's that band across the very bottom, usually containing copyright info or built-in placeholders. Now, here's the trick. Rather than just deleting it straight away, let's take a gentler approach first. Go ahead and right-click directly on the footer. If you're working on a laptop, that means actually clicking with 2 fingers or using the right mouse button, depending on your setup. Once you right-click, you'll see a little menu pop up. One of the options should say Hide. Click that. What you've done here is temporarily remove the footer from view, which can be super handy if you're not entirely sure you're ready to get rid of it forever, or maybe you just want to preview your site without any distraction from that area. It's a bit like tucking away clutter during a house tour. You can bring it back at any time if you decide you want it after all. Now, let's say you're totally ready to commit. Maybe you want a whole new look, or the default footer just isn't working for your brand. So, right-click on that hidden footer once more. You might need to scroll down or hover near the bottom to bring it back into focus. This time, from that same menu, select Delete. Don't worry if you get a little pop-up asking for confirmation. That's just Wix making sure you're okay with removing something that's sort of foundational to your site structure. Go ahead and confirm. And just like that, the default footer is gone from your page. Now, some of you might be thinking, wait, I actually want a footer there, just not the one Wix automatically gives me. Great question. Wix makes it surprisingly easy to create something that matches your personal style or your business branding. Here's how. Head to the left-hand side of your Wix Studio and find the Add Elements tab. This is like your toolbox. It contains all the different widgets and site components you might want to use. Click into the elements, then use the handy search bar and type in Footer. You'll see a variety of footer designs pop up. Some might be minimal with just text. Others can include social icons, contact forms, or even menus. Browse through these until you find a footer that feels right for your site. Click on the one you like, and Wix will drop it onto your page automatically. At this point, you'll probably see both your new footer and the old default one. To really make the switch, go ahead and delete the default footer, following those same steps we used earlier. Right-click and select Delete. Now, you've got a totally custom look, and you can edit your new footer however you want. And that's it. You've just learned how to remove, hide, and replace a footer on your Wix site. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Sometimes these little design tweaks can make a big difference in how professional your site feels. If you ran into any trouble, or you have a question about something I covered, just drop a comment below. I check them all and I'm happy to help out. If you enjoyed the tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on future tips like these. Thanks for watching, and good luck customizing your site.